Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some cloud bread. I have 4 eggs here. I'm going to separate the egg yolk from the white. I'm adding in the white in this bowl here and the yolk in the orange bowl, which you can't see right now. Here's the 4 egg yolks. And then I'm going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese to the bowl. I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. I want to beat the mixture for about 5 minutes. You want to beat the egg yolks and the cream cheese until they are smooth. And you want to place this back under there, and you want to mix the egg yolk and cream cheese into this egg white mixture. And you want to mix it just a little bit, kind of fold it in. Okay. And that's about it. Add the mixture to my silicone bun pan. I have sprayed each one with a little spray. So we'll go ahead and place the mixture in here. Okay, I'm gonna place them in a 300-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Some cloud bread, keto cloud bread. if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.